Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar. The university was established on 20th October 1995 in honor of a meritorious master, Guru Jambheshwar Ji, whose preaching will continue to guide humanity as the protector of the world's welfare, the nature and environment for ages. By placing the spiritual sentence of Jnanam Vijnana Sahitam in the principles of Guruji, this university is contributing its pride at the national and international level in the field of science and technology, and is also performing its social, moral and other responsibilities. The premier of the Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar, which has been awarded the Green Campus Award at the national level, is equipped with international level infrastructure. Located at the center of the university campus, Chaudhry Ranbir Singh Auditorium is a world-class and technologically modern. Various programs of national and social interest are also organized along with cultural and academic programs. The laboratories of this university are extremely high and equipped with the latest equipment. The Central Instrumentation Lab is proving very beneficial in the field of community research and innovation. There are excellent classrooms in 12 teaching blocks of the university. Despite being the University of Science and Technology, sports facilities based on international and Olympic standards are available in the Maharana Pratap Sports Complex. Taking advantage of the university campus, related colleges are highlighting the name of the university in the students' games. UGC Human Resource Development Center at the university is India's #1 Human Resource Development Center. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Library is one of the best libraries in the country. There are 1,18,279 books, approximately 10 lakh e-books, and more than 8,000 e-journals are available here, by taking advantage of which students, researchers and teachers are getting great achievements. Over 565 researchers and 37 affiliated colleges from this university have been working to give new heights to the university, with a staff of skilled teachers, officers and employees. The university is equipped with almost complete campus internet, computer center, lab and Wi-Fi. 70% of the university's faculty hold a PhD degree. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Innovation and Incubation Center is contributing significantly towards development of creative skills in students and researchers. The development of this university has touched peak in its evolutionary journey of just 25 years. Every time with a better CGPA, the university has been awarded A grade from NAC continuously for the last 3 times. Currently, 58 courses are being taught in this university. The Scopus-based research index of this university is around 95.
At present, the university is contributing not only in teaching but also in research and innovation. The contribution of the teachers, students, non-teaching staff, raising the standards of the university has been enormous. At present, H-index of the university is nearing 95. The citations of the university are approaching 55,000. The university has received grant of rupees 80 crores from various agencies like RUSA, DST Purse. In its Silver Jubilee year, the university achieved international ranking of Times Higher Education UK in the bracket of 801 to 1000. The students of the university are being placed in reputed companies, and more than 1,000 students are placed in recent past. The university has already started online education for proving its presence globally. Keeping in view the present day needs, university has established Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Incubation and Innovation Center with an outlay of 15 crores. The foundation stone of this center was laid by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji through digital mode.
Students of this Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology are performing well in academics, sports, cultural, research and other co-curricular activities. Their teachers are also consistently receiving respect and achievements at national and international levels. The Best Young Scientist Award was received by Dr. Sandeep Kumar, Faculty of Bio and Nanotechnology Department, is particularly noteworthy. Keeping in view that the work of the university is not only to promote research and education, but also to take care of the purpose of pay back to society, that is, responsibilities towards the society. While making a meaningful contribution to Prime Minister's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign, the university has reserved one seat each for the only daughter child in academic courses. Also, arrangement for maternity leave for women students. Doing this, the Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology has become the first university in the country. Under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan campaign of the Government of India, the university has adopted 5 villages. Along with this, the Vice-Chancellor has also adopted an additional village. A blood donation campaign has been organized every year under the National Service Scheme. In addition, other social and national campaigns are organized at increased frequency. Under an unsurpassed initiative by the university, the facility of guidance and counseling is available in the Department of Psychology to any needy student.
Established in the name of Guru Jambheshwar Ji Maharaj, this university is making a pioneer contribution in science, technology, engineering and environment protection, as well as in the establishment of social, moral and religious values. Apart from academic and research, the infrastructure of sports and cultural activities of this university is also of international standard, which has registered its presence at the global level. This is the reason that academic and professional institutions are constantly signing MOU with the university at the national and international level as well. It is a matter of pride for us that the alumni of university are serving at higher level in the institutions of national and international level.
Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology has already achieved national identity. Now it is trying to gain recognition internationally. At present, the university is ranked amongst top 100 universities of India and also ranked amongst top 1000 universities of the world, which is an evidence of its academic excellence just within 25 years of journey since 1995. The university's infrastructure, dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff, energetic students and creative researchers together will achieve this goal soon.